Mathematics Class 12, Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives. Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 17. Show that the height of the cylinder of a maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 2R by root 3. Find maximum volume. Let V, R, H be the volume, radius and height of a cylinder inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R and center O. This is the sphere. The radius is capital R, the center is O, and this is the cylinder which is inscribed here. The height is H. The center of the sphere will bisect this height. So height is H, then from O to here, this O to B will come H by 2. The radius is taken as small r. The center of a sphere bisects height of a cylinder. That means OB is equal to H by 2. To prove, they have asked us height of the cylinder is equal to 2R by root 3. In triangle AOB, apply Pythagoras. So AO square equal to AB square plus OB square. This one is capital R, this one is small r, and this value is H by 2. In right triangle AOB by Pythagoras, AB square plus OB square is equal to OA square. This value is R square. This is H by 2 whole square, and this is capital R square. H by 2 square will become H square divided by 4. That you transfer here becomes negative. So R square minus H square by 4, call it number 1. They have asked us maximum volume. Okay, so for maximum volume, I will consider the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is V is equal to pi R square H. Put the R square value from here. So R square minus H square by 4. This is H. H you multiply here. So R square into H. H square into H is H cube by 4. Here I have written. Now differentiate with respect to H. So dV by dx is equal to pi R square H is 1 minus H cube is 3H square by 4. For maximum value of the volume, dV by dh has to be 0. So equate this with a 0. So pi R square minus 3h square by 4 equal to 0. Pi you transfer here, 0 by pi, so it cancel and becomes 0. This 3h square by 4 transfer here becomes positive. So R square is equal to 3h square by 4. Transfer 4 here and 3 here. 4 will go numerator, 3 will come denominator. 4R square by 3 equal to h square. Take a square root, so 4 square root is 2, R square root is R, 3 square root is root 3, so you get value of H is equal to 2R divided by root 3, and that is what you are supposed to prove. That is the first part. Then they have asked us to find the P maximum. For this, first I will find the value of R. So put this value of H in equation 1, that is this equation. I write equation R square equal to capital R square minus H square by 4. H square value is this 4 R square by 3. So 4 R square by 3, and this 4 is here. This 4 cut. So what you are going to get is here remains R square, and here R square by 3. So I have written here. Okay. Take the LCM. So when you take LCM here, 3R square minus R square by 3 equal to 3 minus 1, 2R square divided by 3. For maximum volume, put R square is equal to 2R square by 3 and H is equal to 2R by root 3 in V max is equal to pi R square H equal to pi R square value this 2R square by 3 and H value is this 2R by root 3. Multiply 2 into 2, you get 4, and 3 into root 3, 3 root 3, and pi here R square into R is R cube. So that is the V maximum. So we have proved both the part. Question number 18. Show that height of a cylinder of a greatest volume which can be inscribed in a right circular cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha is 1/3 that of the cone, and greatest volume of cylinder is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. Let V, R, H be volume, radius and height of a cylinder inscribed in a cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha. This is the cone. Its height is given to you small h. Its semi-vertical angle, that is here, given alpha. There is a cylinder which is inscribed here. I consider the radius as r, and the height of this, that is OO dash, I take it as h, and volume is maximum. Okay. What you have to prove is, number 1, first part is h is equal to 1 by 3 h. That is height of the cylinder equal to 1 by 3 of height of the cone. And the V maximum, volume maximum of this is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. In this triangle AOB, I will apply tan alpha, trigonometric ratio. So tan alpha is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So OB divided by OA, and OB is R and OA as it is. Yeah, I have applied here. In right triangle AOB, tan alpha is equal to OB by OA is equal to OB value is R and OA as it is, interchange tan and OA. So OA is equal to R by tan alpha. 1 by tan alpha can be written as cot alpha. So you get here OA is equal to R cot alpha. Now from figure we can see, in this figure you are given A O dash, that is the height of the cone, that is H, and O dash is the height of the cylinder. So if from A O dash I minus AO, I will get the height of the cylinder H, and that is what we have to find. Okay, so I'll from the figure OO dash is equal to AO dash minus AO. Height of the cylinder H, I have assumed capital H, equal to AO dash, that is H. Okay, this total height H minus AO from here, R cot alpha. So I put from R cot alpha, call it number 1. They have asked us the volume of the cylinder, okay, greatest volume. So you consider the volume of the cylinder. Formula is V is equal to pi R square H. H value put from here, so R square H minus R cot alpha. R square you multiply here, so you get pi as it is into R square H minus R square into R is R cube cot alpha. See, I have written here. Now see, H and cot alpha is constant, pi also is constant, so differentiate with respect to alpha, R. So pi dr by dh, R square is 2RH minus R cube is 3R square cot alpha. For maximum value of volume, dV by dr is equal to 0. Equate this with 0. So I equate with 0, transfer pi here, cancel, here remains 2RH minus 3R square cot alpha. 3R square cot alpha transfer here becomes positive. 2RH equal to 3R square cot alpha. 1R you cancel, here remains 2H equal to 3R cot alpha here. Keep R here and 3 cot alpha transfer here, it will come in the denominator, so value of R is equal to 2H by 3 cot alpha. From equation 1, H is equal to H minus R cot alpha, put the value of R, what you have found here, here. So H minus R, that is this, 2H, 3 cot alpha and this cot alpha. Cot and cot cancel, so here remains 2H by 3 and here is H, so H minus 2H by 3. Take LCM, 3H minus 2H by 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is H by 3. So what you have proved, capital H is equal to 1 by 3 small h, that is height of the cylinder equal to 1/3 of height of the cone. That is the first part we have to prove. So first part we have proved, now we will prove the second part. For maximum value of the volume, put R is equal to 2H divided by 3 cot alpha and capital H as 1 by 3H in V max is equal to pi R square H. This value 2H by 3. This is cot, na? That is actually 1 by cot. So I am writing as 10 alpha whole square, and H value is 1 by 3 H. So here we will simplify, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 into this 327. This pi is here, H square into H is H cube and 10 square alpha, and that is what you are supposed to prove. The V max is equal to 4 by 27 pi H cube 10 square alpha. So we have put both the part. Question number 19. A cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with wheat at rate of 314 meter cube per hour. That means they have given change in the volume. Then depth is increasing at the rate of number A 1 meter per hour, B 0.1 meter per hour, number C 1.1 meter per hour, D 0.5 meter per hour. This is a cylindrical tank. You are pouring the wheat here, so volume is increasing and height also increasing. Increasing the volume is given to dV by dt 314 meter cube per hour. They have asked how the height is increasing, that is dH by dt is asked, and R is going to 10 meter. Then this is the cylinder. So you use volume of the cylinder, V is equal to pi R square H. R value is given, put the value. So 10 square, which is 100. So 100 into this pi value 3.14. Now differentiate, so V value will be dV by dt. This is constant, just keep as it is, and H will be dH by dt. Okay. Now 103.14 will become 314. Then 314 you transfer over here, it will become 314 by 314, which give you 1. And this side remains dH by dt. So rate of change in height will be 1 meter per hour. So option A is the correct option, right option. Thank you very much.